In 3.4, we're going to look at graphing linear inequalities. So just a refresher, inequality is kind of that Pac-Man. So I have greater than and less than, just the regular Pac-Man. And then the last two have the line underneath. So that's greater than or equal to. And then less than or equal to. So that line underneath is kind of like half of an equal sign. So that's why it's the equal to. So when we're graphing, before we jump into linear equalities, so let's just kind of look at considering this line, 4y minus 5x equals 4. So if they gave us 0, 1, and we look at the graph, and this is the blue dot right here, that is on the line. But then it asks us, is 1, negative 2. So 1, negative 2 is down at the bottom. Is that on the line? No, it is not. So those are the types of questions that they're going to be asking, except with linear inequality. So my Pac-Man. So we are going to plug in some numbers to see, and we're going to make our line, and then we're going to see what's on the line, what's not on the line. All right, so determine whether the ordered pair 4, 3 is a solution. So is it on the line of this inequality? So we're just taking that equation and we made it an inequality. So I'm going to plug in. So I know that the 4 is in the x place and the 3 is in the y place. So I'm going to take those two numbers and plug it in to see if it is true. So here I have 4. What was the y? 3 minus 5. What's my x? Plug in 4. And then bring everything down. So instead of the y and x, I plugged in the 4 and 3. I replaced it. So now let's solve. 4 times 3 is 12. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. And then 12 minus 20 is negative 8. So is negative 8 greater than or equal to 4? No, the mouth is opening. Remember, the mouth of the alligator opens to the bigger number. It wants to eat it. So is negative 8 the bigger number? It is not. So that means it is not a solution. So not a solution, not a point on our inequality.